Hey, thanks for joining me today. I have a delicious new UX snack for you. So today I want to talk to you about the differences between user personas and buyer personas and how they can actually work in tandem to help you better understand your consumer. User personas are great for developing a representation of your target market for your website, for your app, or for your brand. It can be viewed as a fictional character that is based on research, specifically through user interviews. It is one of the really great tools in UX designers' bags for really understanding their users' needs, wants, aspirations, and behaviors. Here is an example of a user persona from a project I worked on, an app called Chime. After conducting user interviews, I was able to identify the target demographics of my user, but more importantly, what my user needed as it related to the problem statement. Everything I created after, from the minimum viable product to wireframing and prototyping, was really rooted in my user persona. For example, if I was creating a new feature, I would reference the user persona to make sure it fulfilled the needs of my user in order to provide the best user experience possible. A buyer persona is similar in that it's fictional, but it represents a company's ideal customer or customer segment. Buyer personas will also look at needs, wants, behaviors, but research will go even deeper into their buying experiences and behaviors. This helps marketing teams understand how to target and acquire new customers, as well as create loyal customers through omni-channel strategies. Here is an example of multiple personas I've used to create product roadmaps and content marketing strategies to help me connect better with several differentiated target markets while at Western Union. Additionally, these personas were used for planning and implementation of national campaigns. So both personas are research-based profiles that provide information about your target market just on different parts of their full journey and likely on different platforms. Just imagine what kind of insights you could have on your customers if you developed both personas and were able to identify the common needs and behaviors between the two. This holistic approach could help further clarify who and how you should meet new people and how to identify problems that your brand or your product could solve. Long story short, there is so much benefit in understanding your customer, whether they're in shopping mode or they're on your app. Really, the more that you know, the better that you can serve them. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.